We're Andy and Jenna, better known as a couple travelers.
We've spent the last 5 years exploring the world, covering everything across theme parks, cruises, and resorts.
Jenna recently attended a sneak peek of Florida's newest theme park, Universal Epic Universe.
In this video, I'm taking you on a room tour at Universal Terra Luna Resort, one of the hotels at Epic Universe. This resort just opened in early 2025, and to make room for all of the guests coming to experience Universal's new theme park, Epic Universe, which I'm so excited to finally check out tomorrow. So right when you walk in, you have a little space right here, which you can keep your luggage when you're not using it. And right across the way, you have a full-length mirror. That, of course, leads right into the bathroom area, which is really nice. You have some extra towels down there, in addition to a hairdryer. And then here's the actual bathroom. It does have some Terra Luna shampoo and conditioner. And then they have bar soap as well. So you don't have to bring toiletries if you want to just use what the hotel has to offer. And then over here they have facial soap. And then of course we come to the main part of the room. So I believe these are 2 full-size beds. They might be queens. I'll have to double check that. But 2 beds in the standard rooms here, which is really nice. I love the lighting behind the beds, and the carpet's really nice as well. So looking between, looks like you got some normal plugs, some USB and USB-C as well. You got a little drawer here. Opposite the beds, you have a couch, the little table. You have a couple of dresser and drawer storage underneath the TV. And then you have a spot for the mini fridge and a little coffee station as well. So that's good. I did order a case of water to the hotel, but one thing that's a little different about Universal versus Disney will let you send like a ship order to the hotel and you don't need to be there to accept the package, but at Universal you do. So when I arrived at the hotel, had to wait for my delivery to come to accept it from them, and then I could leave it at Bell Services. So just one thing to note, if you were trying to get here and immediately go to the parks, don't schedule anything to be delivered because you do need to be here. And then they have an ice bucket, coffee station here with regular and decaf, and some to-go cups as well. And then over here, a little bit of information, what you might need to know, but they do have a fitness center, they have an arcade, you can do laundry here. If you want to see a little bit more about everything that this resort has to offer, I do have a full resort tour out on the channel as well. In case you're interested in staying at this resort and to come experience Epic Universe, this brand new amazing theme park, I would love to help make that happen for you. I am a travel agent and it is totally and completely free to work with an agent, so you might as well book your trip through somebody who comes here, knows what they're doing, and has a lot of great tips to share with you. So if you're interested in receiving more information or getting a no obligation quote, you can reach out to me and I'll put my email address in the video description below. One other thing to show is the view. Oh, it looks like we have a water pool view, which is nice. It's actually a huge pool area. Lots of chairs. Doesn't seem to be very crowded today. It is Thursday around 2:30 in the afternoon. So I guess a lot of people are out at the parks right now. Now, I've only been at this hotel for a couple of hours, but I have to say I'm very impressed, especially for what the price of this resort is. So as I mentioned in the resort tour that I have already posted out on the YouTube channel, this is part of the prime value resort category for Universal. So there are cheaper rooms and hotels, and there are much more expensive rooms in hotels. So this is kind of what I would consider between a value and a moderate at Disney, if you are familiar with those terms. Very nice design, very family friendly, and the food has been delicious as well, and just at the quick service location here. So Very impressed so far, excited to spend the next couple of nights here. Again, I'd love to help you plan your Universal Orlando vacation, or perhaps a split between Universal and Disney, so reach out to me if you're interested in getting that started. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media at A Couple Travelers. And until next time, keep traveling.